Mga kasuroy, itong view na nakikita nyo is actually connecting Coastal Road for Bukana Boulevard. And itong park din yan is here in Ramon Magsaysay Park, Davao City. This is actually one of the oldest park here in Davao City, and up until today, it's well maintained. It used to be like an amusement park for the kids. Dito kami nag-enjoy dati kasi ang daming activities para sa mga bata. However, right now, it's still alive. It's much alive. It was converted to a tourist attraction showcasing houses from different tribes here in Davao City. So if you want to visit and learn about houses or mga bahay ng different tribes in Davao, you may visit Herman Magsaysay Park. And plus, if you want to eat durian, nasa labas dito ang mga famous seller ng durian dito sa Davao City. And it's just amazing, no? That despite the Davao City's progressing, it's becoming a highly urbanized city. Nagtatayuan na yung mga building and still, eco parks like this are still maintained. And I believe itong mga ganitong park can really help for us to think and unwind kasi it's really good for our mental health. Plus, ang tagal na itong monument na ito, bata pa lang ako, andito na siya. Kaya kudos Davao City for maintaining this park. Samahan niyo ako ulit mga kasuray. Bye-bye.